Hey guys, it's Miss Cass. I know it's been a while since you've seen my face. Hair's gotten a little bit longer, but other than that, just been chilling in my house, working from home. Same as pretty much all of you guys, as long as you're following the shelter-in-place orders, right? Cool. Well, as you probably noticed, the format of our lessons look a little bit different this week. You've opened up this one-pager, and this, instead of having like separate videos and links on the Google Classroom assignment, you're going to just go to this one-pager and then sort of work your way down it. So in this video, I'm going to give you a little bit of a run-through, and there's going to be, we're adding a little intro video to the beginning of every lesson, just to say hi and give some shout-outs to exemplar students, and just make sure that if you're just jumping on and haven't done lessons in a couple days or a couple weeks, that's cool. We just want to catch you guys up and make sure that everyone's sort of prepared to do their best whenever they have time to do some school. So, all right, we're going to jump right in, and please watch this video all the way through so you are prepared for the new format. All right? Thanks, guys. So when you start a new lesson, you will open up this document. If you need to review, you can check out the distance learning expectations, right? Or if you're having issues with Edpuzzle, you can go ahead and open up the YouTube video that will help you troubleshoot that. All right, then the first thing you'll do with every lesson is watch the intro video, so it'll be pretty similar to what I'm sort of making right now. When you're done doing that, you're going to type done over here, or rather just delete text in there. Oh, all right, let's try that again. Done. There we are. All right, so you type done, way to track your progress. And then you will check your readiness. So here you'll be taking a pre-assessment. So it's just like a little short quiz to sort of see what you know, see what you need to go over in this particular lesson. So you'll click on this. It'll bring you to a quiz. Go ahead and complete this quiz. So there's going to be two problems on these. You'll see problem 1, and then you'll see problem 2. You're going to go through, make sure you answer every question, and be sure you try your hardest on these. When you're done, it'll tell you which problems you got correct and incorrect. So then when you go over here, back to the one-pager, over in question number I missed, like say you missed, even if you miss one part of one of the problems, like if say I only missed one part of problem 1, I'll type problem 1 here. And then if I only miss one part of problem 2, I'll type problem 2 here, right? Because that means we need some stuff, we need to review some stuff. So then, depending on which questions you missed, if you missed part of question 1, that correlates with the Edpuzzle video number 1. So you'll watch that video by clicking here. It'll bring you to Edpuzzle. So you'll go through this video as normal. You guys are used to this process. Complete these checks for understanding here. But what's going to be different is at the end you will get a final score for the problems that you answered throughout the lesson. And then when you're finished watching the Edpuzzle video, you will jump back to the one-pager, and you'll enter your score here. So CFU stands for Checks for Understanding. So that's the score you got on the Edpuzzle video. So let's say I got 85 on that. I'll enter that there. You'll do the same with video 2. If you missed all or part of problem 2 up at the Check Your Readiness, you will watch video 2. Again, complete the Checks for Understanding, enter your score here. Say I got an 80. All right, and then here's some helpful links like extra practice with negative exponents if you're feeling a little confused on that. And then the next step is apply. So apply what you just learned, and you're going to complete a independent practice, right? So again, that's something you guys have been doing routinely. You're familiar with this. You just open that up and work it out on a piece of paper as usual. When you're finished, take a photo, upload that to the assignment on Google Classroom. And again, be sure to track your progress over here. It'll just help you. Say you get hungry, you go and have lunch in the middle of the lesson, you can come back and just say, okay, I just finished the independent practice. Now I can move on. And then the last step is mastery skill set. So this is super important. You guys have just learned hopefully a lot in the lesson, and you want to apply your knowledge. You want to prove how much you've learned. The mastery skill sets are going to be worth a lot of points, so be sure to try your hardest. And when you get to the mastery skill set, you are going to go back to your Google Classroom feed and click on the mastery skill set with the corresponding number in Google Classroom. Okay?